The Perixx PERIBOARD-512B Split Keyboard is designed to provide an ergonomic typing experience, reducing strain on wrists and arms with its split key and three-dimensional layout. This keyboard features tactile keystrokes, offering a comfortable typing sensation that minimizes pressure on your fingers. It comes with a plug-and-play feature, allowing easy setup with a simple USB connection and a 6-foot cable. The integrated palm rest adds extra comfort, promoting a natural hand position during prolonged typing sessions. As a full-size keyboard, it supports a range of computer systems, including Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. Perixx offers lifelong technical support, ensuring reliable assistance whenever needed for this top-selling ergonomic keyboard.